My name is Ivy Hurst, and today we are here at Kiowa Creek Quarter Horses, and this is a yearling gelding by Jesses Topaz out of a Walk Thru Fire mare that we're demoing. Here we got a nice yearling gelding. We have went outside and taken his photos today. He was great with the fly spray. He will stand in the wash rack for a bath. He has been clipped. Nice gentle colt. He will move out on the line. Kind of a racier made colt. Looks like he should have some run to him. Got a little play to him here today. Oh. Oh, okay. I don't see any marks or blemishes. This colt's got a clean leg, kind eye, really pretty buckskin color. Oh, sorry, dude. Oh. Able to pick up his feet. Stands for the farrier. Oh. Oh. They've really done a good job with all these colts here. Just a really nice colt that should go on to make a performance horse.